Right, so I'm going to be talking you through the 61 plate Vauxhall Corsa. I'm just going to take you past the left hand side so you can see any marks on the left hand side. As you can see, there aren't any. It's a limited edition with the blacked out alloy wheels. Front left hand quarter, you see no dents, no bumps. Across the bonnet. Front right quarter. Front right wheel. Right driven there. Hot runnings edition badge. Right hand side. Back right. Back left. So the general condition of the wheels are it's all very good. Like the rest of the car. There's boot space in there. Inside of the car here. No rips or stains or marks in the seats. Same for the back seats. This edition has the red trims. See? My dad's taking the keys out. Take some photos. You see lovely low miles, 74,000. Aux connection there. 12-volt power supply there. Electric mirrors and windows. Steering wheel, audio controls. That's it really. If you'd like to arrange a viewing of the vehicle, please get in contact with us via our website or call us on 07 581 457 580. Alternatively call 07917 033 781. Thanks for watching.